604 North Curley. This is for inspection for completion of rough-ins. Okay, so it's all ready and finished and waiting for the inspectors to show up to pass them. So bottom line is once it's done, Sam with BB Brodus Group is going to pop me a picture of the stickers so we can get a payout to them. So all the electric you can see, all the plumbing installed done. And there you go. So you've got, that's all the kitchen stuff. As you can see, everything's completely finished. Unfortunately, this is what happens when you gotta wait for inspectors. The job stops to move to the next step. So I believe they're supposed, today's Thursday morning, so they're supposed to be coming today. And this will be finished. Okay, so there you can see all the plumbing done down this level. Electricals are all sitting there waiting. It's got a lot of debris that he's roughed out here. Next thing is he's got to have his HVAC people come in and run all his duct work. Which I would have thought I would have done that first. You put the big stuff in and then you follow up with the smaller stuff, but. Okay, all electrical, as you can see, is finished. And we've got the bathroom, all the plumbing and electrical completed. Here's your setup for your vanity and your tub and your diverter. Your shower. He's got all of his sockets on, set. All right, so again, this is 604 North Curley, waiting for the inspectors to show up to pass our rough-in trades.